we need to discuss what is the last one
Switch if.
in the selection statement. Very good. So switch is also known as, what is switch is also known as?
Multiple
Ah,
selection.
what is switch statement is also, yes, multiple selection. Okay, so very good. Okay, so we'll go with that. So okay, so first of all, so write down the heading switch statement. Switch statement, or it may be also known as multiple selection, right? Switch statement. Okay, so this is the fifth selection statement. It's also known as multiple selection, right? Switch statement are multiple selection. Like that. So all the selection statement. This is also used to execute the statement. So when the condition will be true. Okay. So switch statement executes the statements when certain condition will be true, but it has multiple selection. Multiple selection. But it has got multiple selection. Right? Okay, so you just write down the syntax for it, and then example later on we will go with the flow chart. Okay, so first of all, syntax. Switch, here it is condition. Okay, so here case 1, case 2, case 3, up to you can have, so any number of cases. Okay, case label 1, so we'll write, so here like this, case label 1, then statement 1, next break, we need to put break here for multiple selection, label 2. Okay, so example ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Statement 2, next up to you can write, so ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು, case label n, case label n, and you can execute statement n. Okay, and then finally default statement will be there. You write colon here, colon, here it is semicolon, here also colon, here it is semicolon. Statement, for statement you need to write semicolon, and case label, so you need to have, so colon, here also default, last it executes the default statement, executes default statement, semicolon, this is colon, this is semicolon, close the bracket. Okay, so we open the bracket here and then we are closing here. One example ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Switch statement is similar to all the other selection statements, so nothing more difference, but it has got the multiple selection. Multiple options will be there. Okay, so if this case is okay, if this condition is okay, so then case label 1 it executes the statement 1. Next case label 2, statement 2. Okay, up to statement n will execute. If all this label and then case will false, then the finally the default statement will execute. Okay, Okay, so one example I'll take. Yeah. Okay, finished. Okay, you need to continue here, right? Switch condition, case label 1, statement 1, break. So case label 2, statement 2. Okay, once again you write break here. Break, sorry. Break here also. Case label n, statement n, break. Okay, finally default statement. Final default statement. If all the cases will fail, then finally the default statement will get executed. Okay. Similarly, so you need to check for the condition. And then so case label 1 is true, then statement 1 will execute. If the case label 2 is true, then statement 2 will be executed. Up to you can have the case label n, and then statement n will be executed. So then so finally it is default statement will execute, right? Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay, so one example, I'll give you one example, simple example. Okay, how many days in a week you are having?
7.
Right? Okay, so 1 to 7. If this is a condition, then you can select the cases here. Okay, so when it exceeds more than 7 or less than 0, what happens? If the day of the week is less than 0 and greater than 7, what happens? What you will say in that condition? What you will say that? ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? So weekdays ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? So ಒಂದು ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? 7 ದಿನ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ 0 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ 7ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಾ? Is it possible?
No,
ಅದನ್ನ
sir.
ಆ ತರದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಾ? ಇನ್ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಾ? ಯೂಸರ್ 1 ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು, 2 ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ, 3 ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ, 4 Thursday, 5 Friday, 6 Saturday, finally 7 weekend ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಾ? So but Sunday will begins first, but it will be considered a Saturday and Sundays ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಾ? Weekend ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಾ? Sunday ನಾನು 7 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಾ? Okay, so if the weekdays is exceeds more than 7, then the condition will be invalid input. And if you take so less than 1, okay, then also it's a invalid input. Okay, right? Okay, so ಈಗ switch ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So I will consider switch here. Okay, so DOW ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. So DOW indicates the day of the week. Okay, if the day of the week case 1 ಅಂತ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so ನೀವು case 1 ಲೇಬಲ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ? ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸಂಡೇ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, that's your wish. Okay, so that I won't say. Okay, so here up to it continues ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಬರಿತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ರೈಟ್? ನೀವು ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀರಿ. ಕೇಸ್ 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ, ಕೇಸ್ 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ, ಆ ತರ. ಕೇಸ್ 7 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಏನಿದು output. I am not going to write n. Okay, it's limited. Day of the week is limited. So 1 to 7. Okay, so ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಡೇ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. I will take this as Sunday. Okay, in all the other cases the default statement will execute. Okay, the default statement ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ? output invalid input ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಸರಿನಾ?
Yes, sir.
invalid input. ಸರಿನಾ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ರೈಟ್? ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಕೇಸ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮಂಡೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಇವನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬ್ರೇಕ್. Right, break. Okay, case 2 colon output Tuesday. Okay, so up to you can write up to 7. So put break here also for all. And then finally, so if invalid input, so when it should less than 1 and greater than 7, so then finally the default statement will execute. That is invalid input. Okay, ನೀವು 1 ರಿಂದ 7 ಏನಾದರೂ weekdays ನ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ, so that will print the appropriate output. Okay, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಅದು ಸಂಡೇ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ it's your wish, it's not a mistake, so it's your wish. Sunday, next Monday, Tuesday. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಗ Saturday ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Last case 7 Saturday ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. In all the other cases the default statement will execute, that is invalid input. ಸರಿನಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಅದು ಓವಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಕೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ ನೀವೇ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ, you can switch the day of the week if the day of the week is 1 Monday, 2 Tuesday, 3 Wednesday, 4 Thursday, 5 Friday, 6 Saturday, and then 7 Sunday. So this I have written already. Okay, so if it is none other than, so 1 to 7, okay, so other than 1 to 7 it should be a invalid input. Okay, is it right? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Clear ಆಯ್ತು? Is that clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay, so we'll take, so ಇದಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? Okay, we'll take another example, one more example. Okay, so right now we need to switch a character. Okay, so we need to identify whether the character is vowel or consonant. Okay, we can't write consonant. Okay, how many vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U. 5. Remaining 21 characters we can't make it as a case because it's very lengthy and then it's very complex to write. But I can write so vowels here. Okay, so just you take switch and then you consider any character. Okay, so switch the character if the case is A. Okay, case is small a. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಅದು ಓವಲ್, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಎ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಓವಲ್, ಹೌದಾ? ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಅಗ್ರಿ? Is that no?
Yes, sir.
Right, so I need to write both a capital and then small one. Next case e, put colon, case
Sir, output.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋಣ.
Okay, sir.
ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಓವಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಬರಿತೀನಿ, ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ?
Okay, sir.
Case I, case small I, case capital U, case small u, case O, here small o, u, case small u. Okay, so what is this output? What is the final output you will write here? These are all vowels, right? Okay, so here I will break in the default statement. Okay, ikkada baritini, alli bariyaka agta illa. Okay, so default statement I will write output. ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಏನು ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. A, E, I, O, U ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನೀವು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೋವಲ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನಾನು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎಷ್ಟಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡಿ, ಸೊ ವೋವಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್? ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್
Consonant.
That's it. Consonant. Okay, so here I will close the bracket. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ curly braces na close ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, this is what we call switch statement, switch selection statement, that is multiple selection statement. Okay, is that clear? Okay, month of the year, day of the week. Okay, ಈ ತರದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so this is also we will execute in C++. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಾಕಿ ಇದೆ, ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್? ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ದಿರೋ ನೋಡಿ, 5 ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, 5th ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ if else if, nested if, right now it is a switch statement. Okay, so ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಿಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್, ಸಿಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಫೈನಲಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫ್ಲೋ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ, so this will be finished off. Finished? ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು ಫ್ಲೋ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿ
Yeah.
So once again the rhombus we need to write for this also. If condition, right? Case label 2. Case label 3. Case label. Okay, illay n number ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. Okay, so I'll put dot here. So you can have any number of case. Okay, and then this is default. So it is statement 1, statement 2, statement n. Here it is default statement. Okay, and finally you join and then you check it for next switch statement. Similarly, it will execute the same thing, the multiple selection. Okay, so this is the flow chart of switch statement, that is multiple selection. Okay, next take down the heading iterative statement. So this is the last control structure, right? Which is the first one? Control structure only first one yadu? Which is the first control structure? So we can test the other. Which is the control structure? First control
Selection.
structure. Selection. Okay, in that 3 types. Yadu? Input statement, assignment statement, output statement.
Output
Okay.
statement.
The second one is selection statement. If else if, nested if, right now it is switch, multiple statement. Okay, multiple selection. Okay, so the next third control structure is iterative structure. Okay, or looping structure. We can also call it as an iteration structure. Okay, this is the third one. Romanally ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ? Iteration structure. So what do you mean by iteration? Iteration is also known as looping. What do you mean by looping? Iterating state or repetition. We can also call it as a repetition. The repetition of the statement. What do you mean by this? The process of executing a statement or set of statement until statement repeatedly. Sorry, so you need to put this as a what? Repeatedly until certain condition is true or satisfied. Condition is satisfied. Okay, this process is known as iteration, looping, or repetition. Right? Here also the same thing happens. It executes a statement. Okay, but it executes a statement and set of statements repeatedly. Okay, in the cyclic order. Repeatedly, it will going to execute the statement until some certain conditions or some conditions will be get true or get satisfied until it will goes on repeating. Right? This process of repetition is known as iteration structure or looping or repetition. We can also call it as this. So usually looping on the okay. So iteration technical term, repetition on the common word. Okay. So this is also used for the same purpose. Okay, executing a statement or executing a set of statements, sequence of statement, group of statements. So until some condition will be true, it goes on repeatedly executes the statements. It goes on repeatedly execute the statement until some or certain condition will be get true. When the condition will get false, the loop will be terminated or loop will be collapsed or loop will be stopped. Okay, stop is execution. Okay, is that clear?
Yes,
Okay, so note that not only bariತೀನಿ. So ಅದನ್ನು mention ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, note when the condition get false, then the loop will be terminated. Loop will be terminated or loop will be wind up. Okay. Iteration statement is also known as looping statement. Okay, iteration statement or looping statement. So ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ. Okay. So the statements ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Okay, the statements are also known as looping statements or iteration statements. Looping statements are iteration statements. Okay, so next, iteration statements can be classified into two types: unconditional and conditional looping statement. Okay, so take down the heading next. So it just finished. Okay, the process of executing a statement. So the same thing. So what the selection statement will do, it executes the statement or set of statement until some condition is true. Okay, that's the same here also, but it repeatedly it executes the statements. Okay, until some certain conditions will be true. So when the condition will get false, then loop will be terminated. Such process of repeating or looping statements, so it executes the statement continuously repeatedly until the condition is true. This process is known as iteration or looping statement. Okay, so looping statement is also known as iteration statement. Iteration is nothing but looping statement, right? Okay, is that clear? Okay, so next, iteration statements so can be classified into two types: iteration statements can be classified into into two types. Number one, unconditional looping statement. Next, conditional looping statement. Unconditional looping statement, conditional looping statement. Okay, first conditional ಬರೆಯಿರಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ unconditional ಬರೋದು ಅಂತ. Conditional, unconditional. Okay, conditional looping statement. First, you take the conditional looping statement. Okay, this statement executes statements or group of statements. Statement or group of statements. Group of statements. Repeatedly. At specified number of time. Specified number of time. Specified number of time ಗಿಂತ so unconditional ಹೇಳ್ಬೋಣ. So repeatedly until some condition gets satisfied. Some condition gets satisfied. The number of repetitions not known in advance. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. So that is what we call conditional looping statement, right? Okay, and then so while and do while loops are the examples. While and do while loop are the examples. Okay, the statement executes the statement or group of statements repeatedly until some condition gets satisfied. This is the looping statement process. Okay, what we call repetitive statement executes until some condition gets satisfied or true. Satisfied or true. And then the number of repetitions not known in advance. So we doesn't know. So how many times it is going to be repeat the statement execution. Okay. So and then while and then do while loops are the examples of conditional looping statement. Okay. Finished. Okay. The statement executes the statement or group of statements repeatedly until certain condition get true, until some condition get satisfied. Okay, and the number of repetitions are not known. Okay, number of repetitions are not known in advance. So the examples are while and then do while loop. So first this only we'll discuss while and then do while. So I have changed the conditional looping statement. Later on we'll discuss the unconditional looping statement. Is it clear? Artha aita? Right? The same thing what the selection statement will do, so the iteration statement will do, but it does repeatedly until some condition get true. Okay, when the condition falls, the loop will be terminated, loop will be collapsed, loop will be winded up. Next, the number of repetitions here not known, such statements are called conditional statements. So while and then do while are the examples. Is that clear? Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear?
Yes,
Artha aita? Right. Okay. Next, we'll move to the next one. That is unconditional looping statement. Unconditional looping statement. So here, the statement executes. Executes a statement or group of statements. Statements repeatedly or specified number of times. Specified number of times. So here the repetitions will be known in advance. Okay. The number of repetitions repetition of execution of statements will be known in advance. Will be known in advance. There it will be unknown, but here, so how many times it is going to be repeatedly, so execute the statement, so this will be known. Okay, and so for loop is an example. For loop is example for unconditional looping statement. Unconditional looping statement. Right? The unconditional looping statement is a statement executes or a set of statement or a statement or set of statements until certain condition will be true, and then so it repeats the execution of the statements. Okay, so at specified number of time, and this repetitions of execution of the statements will be already known. It is known in advance, and so the for loop is an example, and then iterative statements are the iterative statements are first one. We'll write while loop. Second one is do while loop, and third one is for loop. Okay, these two are what we call this. These two
Conditional looping
conditional
statement.
looping statement. Conditional looping statement, and this is unconditional looping. Okay, that's it. These are the iterative statements. Okay, so conditional looping statement. So it doesn't know. So number of executions. Okay, in advance, and the example are while and then do while. So here in this statement, so execution of the statement or a number of execution of the statement. So repeatedly that will be known in advance, and then for loop is the example for unconditional looping statement. Okay, is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt in this session?
No
Okay,
doubt,
so
sir.
tomorrow, while, do while, and then for loop. Okay, bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.